and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, I have some new products from Curlsmith. Yes, Curlsmith. If you want to see and hear all about these products, then just keep watching.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
I battled two products that are thought to be the same thing. We may have a dupe. Okay, we may have a dupe. Okay, so I bought the Curlsmith Bond Curl. And then I also had in my stash a 1 fluid ounce of Olaplex Number 3. So yeah, we battled these two, you guys. So on the right side, I use the Olaplex Number 3. It states it repairs and strengthens all hair types. Okay, all hair types. And pretty much what you do is, this number 3 is a take-home treatment that you do at home. They have a number 1 and a number 2 that you get done at the salon. Stays at the salon. It's only for professionals only. And they will use that product if you're going to be bleaching your hair and so on and so forth. I actually bought this right here. It came in a little pack and it has number 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4 is the shampoo, 5 is the conditioner, and 6 is a bond smoother. So it's kind of like an oil. I have not used that yet. So yeah, and pretty much how you use both of these products is you rinse your hair out. You don't shampoo, you don't cleanse, you don't do any of that stuff. You just rinse your hair, and then on damp hair you will apply both of these products. And yeah, so let's get into the difference. So as far as the number 3 goes, this is a 1 fluid ounce. You can normally get a 3 fluid ounce, I think it is. Okay, so you normally get a 3.3 fluid ounce for $28, right? Okay, the consistency is light. It smells good. It's like a, I don't know, maybe like a floral-y smell or whatever. I really like the smell. I've liked the smell from the beginning. I really like the smell. As far as it going onto my hair, I felt like I was able to get it onto my hair. Slip was alright, but my hair was already pre-detangled. The consistency is good. So the directions is you will use 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel dry hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes longer if desired. Rinse from hair for best results. Shampoo with Olaplex Number 4 and condition with Olaplex Number 5. This is vegan and color safe, you guys. So yeah, what I do know about Olaplex is it helps with those bonds in your hair. So those gaps that you have in your hair, it helps with that. But if your hair is just damaged past repair, it's time to cut it off, sis. It's time to cut it off. Olaplex is not going to do it, okay? It's not a miracle worker. From what I read back in the day, it's like more of an insurance type deal. And even insurance, sometimes it's not an insurance, if you know what I mean, okay? Okay. So let's talk about the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It's a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair, resilience, protection, bond stability. Our promise is blended with superfoods. Our strength recipes are designed to make your hair look strong and elastic. I bought this from Ulta. It is a 8 fluid ounce bottle and it is $29. So 3.3 ounce and 8 ounce. And they're around the same price. So yeah, this right here is like a creamy consistency. It smells more fruity. I do feel like I got a little bit more slip out of this product than I did Olaplex. Smells pretty good. Vegan products, you're paying for. The ingredients in Curlsmith are just phenomenal. Great, and more great. Okay, it is a party in a bottle, okay? How to feed your curls. Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve is not a conditioner. We repeat, it is not a conditioner. It's a lightweight, intense treatment that makes hair look stronger and more resilient. Apply generously on damp hair until it is fully saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes, longer if desired, up to 1 hour. Rinse off thoroughly and follow with your favorite Curlsmith cleanser, conditioner, and stylers. The truth about protein, you guys. Balancing protein-rich and moisturizing products in your hair routine is key to healthy, strong hair. Our strength recipes are protein-enriched formulas designed to rebalance your hair needs. The more porous and damaged your hair is, the more protein-based products you should use. So, of course, I'm high porosity. I have colored hair. I was pretty much normal to high before I even colored my hair. So I was more on a norm. I was more normal before I colored my hair, but then when I colored my hair, it pushed me on the high, which is to be expected. So I do have more of a protein-based regimen. My hair loves protein. Loves protein. And pretty much on the back of the bottle, it gives you a porosity test. So let's read and see what they're talking about. So spray water on clean, product-free hair. Low porosity water forms droplets on the surface of the hair. Use Bond Curl every 2 to 3 wash days. Medium porosity water forms droplets and then absorbs in hair. Use Bond Curl every other wash day. High porosity water absorbs immediately in the hair. Use Bond Curl every wash day. So yeah, that's how they pretty much explain to you how to decide when you would use this product. So me being high porosity, I would use this every wash day. I would use it every wash day. So yeah, you guys, this is what my hair is looking like now. I really don't want to say what products I use because my hair is extra crunchy, like crispy, like we fried this up and put it on a platter, like it is extra crunchy. I don't know if you can hear it. So yeah, it is very crunchy, very. But anywho, when I was doing my hair, I didn't feel too much of a difference. I felt like they both came to do their job. They both, did what they claimed to do. So if I had to choose, I would probably buy the Curlsmith because they're beginning to be one of the best products that I use. They're vegan, animal cruelty free. The ingredients are on point. The smells are on point. The moisturization is on point. So I don't have to guess when it comes to Curlsmith. I pick up a bottle of Curlsmith and I already know that we are about to get things popping. Okay? And this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle for $29 versus a 3.3 or a 1 ounce. And you're going to be paying around the same thing, so you get more products. So if I had to choose, I'm going to go with Curlsmith. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own coins, okay? I also bought the Curlsmith Featherlite Protein Cream. This is it. It is a styling cream for weak, damaged curls. Define style, strength, medium, hold. So our strength recipes are like a workout for your curls, packed with superfoods that are designed to make your curls look strong and elastic. Hand-picked ingredients such as wild rice protein, pressed hemp oil, prickly pear cactus, sweet almond oil, shredded kale, guava fruit juice, and shiitake mushrooms. It is a flexible hold, and yeah, this is an 8 fluid ounce, you guys, and I will put on the screen how much I paid for this. The directions for this is how to feed your curls. Apply to wet hair after your shower. Rake through to ensure you are evenly coating all strands. Then use the praying hands method to smooth all locks down. Seal the moisture in and tame the cuticles. Finally, flip the head over and scrunch upward to encourage curl formation. Air dry or diffuse for extra strengthening and a volume boost. Follow with Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. I did not get the foam, you guys. I can really say I thoroughly enjoyed this product. I put it on my hair and it was instant moisture. Like, I was like, oh my God, yes. And I told you guys, my hair loves protein. This is one of their protein products. My hair sucks it up. Like, yes, my hair loves it. Lucille loves protein. So she loved this product and I love it too. My hair does not feel dry. It's just hard from the gel that I decided to use. You will catch that video on Friday to see what gel I used on my hair. So yeah, overall, I enjoyed this wash day. It was great, fantastic. I used some of my favorite products. I knew, I just knew that it was gonna be a good wash day. And yeah, so if you have not done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment below. Do you plan on trying this line from Curlsmith, or have you tried any other line from Curlsmith? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.